And we're on. Hi guys, happy new year. My oven's on, we're about to meal prep, so I think I'm gonna do a voiceover while we chit chat. I just got into workout clothes. It's freezing, so I'm wearing a sweatshirt. I'm gonna recap my morning a little bit, probably in the voiceover. Yeah, we're gonna start meal prepping and get right to 2026 because I'm changing my life. I always say don't do too much, don't take on too much, but that's exactly what I'm doing because I am tired of not being disciplined. I'm tired of not being consistent and blaming everything on postpartum and breastfeeding. So this is where I am postpartum. Like, I still have my stomach go out a little, and that happens with me with postpartum. I gain all my weight in my lower stomach. Breastfeeding does not help me lose weight. In fact, it kind of makes me gain weight. So anyway, one of my big goals for 2026 is to have a flat stomach and to just be healthier. And the only way I can do that as a busy mom while my daughter's in preschool is to meal prep. So let's do it and chit chat. Quick morning recap. My baby can play in here for like 20 minutes uninterrupted. I love this playpen and I just kind of move it around my house. And then I took Eloise and my dog on a walk. You know, I have to get my steps in and I love the baby to have fresh air. So now we're going to start meal prepping, which I haven't done in forever, but I realized that it's so much easier with kids if I just do it. So I plan to meal prep every Monday and maybe Wednesday. So I'm first starting out with sweet potatoes for Eloise. I'm making her sweet potato sticks. I'm also boiling hard-boiled eggs for my big girl. So the sweet potatoes on the top row, the cut ones, are for me and Jared for dinner, and the bottom ones are for Eloise. So I make hers with coconut oil and cinnamon, and I give her like a sweet stick. You can mix all these in a bowl, but this is like my lazy girl meal prep where I just do it all in the pan. And for our sweet potatoes, I just do olive oil and garlic salt. And I just find that if I make sweet potatoes earlier in the day and then warm them up for dinner, then we have them on time. If I start sweet potatoes at the end of the day, they just take too long to cook and then we don't have sweet potatoes. Along with meal prepping, I also like to prep my ingredients. So I'm not meal prepping the zucchini, I'm just chopping it. So later in the evening when the girls are being wild and all our neighbors are over, Violet likes to play with the neighborhood kids after school, I could just throw these on the pan and start sauteing and I don't have to be bothered chopping. And this is my new Awala water bottle, which I heard are the best and like the most non-toxic. So getting in more water as well this year. Clap your hands, clap, clap. My hard-boiled eggs are ready. Violet can literally eat 2 in the morning, which is great because then I know she's getting protein before school. So I'll do 2 hard-boiled eggs. She doesn't eat the yolk though. Grass-fed chocolate milk, some protein there, and then lots of fruit. She's always like, I want a big fruit plate in the morning. So we'll do oranges, apples. I have ripe bananas. I'm also gonna make banana bread with this brand that everyone in my house likes, Go Nanas. I find it at Whole Foods, but it does require 3 bananas. So it's not just like a mix you can pour. Just make sure you have 3 ripe bananas. Yeah, Mama making banana bread. What are you talking about over there? Blah. I mean, is there anything better than coming home from school? Oh, can Mom follow the recipe right? There we go. Coming home from school to some banana bread. And my husband will think that I just made this, which I did. It is homemade because like these are my ingredients, but you know what I mean? Like I'm obviously using a little mix too, but we don't tell him that. He thinks everything I make, I just whip right up. Because honestly, I'm just like competing with him because my husband will literally make everything from scratch. Like the kids were making sugar cookies the other day and I forgot to get icing. And he was like Violet and our neighbors. And he was like, I'll just whip it up. And it's like the best icing I ever had. And I'm like, yeah, I was gonna do that too. Maple syrup. Okay. Eloise, your favorite butter. Eloise loves her butter. Just no, what else? Okay. Yum, it has chocolate chips in it. Oh yeah, Jared would definitely think I made this. Obviously, those are the chocolate chips I always buy. Okay, so our sweet potatoes are ready. I have these glass meal prep containers. I've had them for years, so I'm just adding Eloise's sticks to her meal prep container and then ours with the zucchini. That way all of our dinner stuff is in one spot and I'm organized. Let's get ready, featuring little baby noises. She's gonna be wild. Like, me and Jared were like, this is so typical second kid. She's gonna be wild. I'm in workout clothes, and 99% of the time I am in workout clothes, but I still like to do my makeup and I still like to look put together and not like a tired mom. I'm always like, I don't want to look like a tired mom, even though I am in fact a tired mom. Okay. All the products I'm going to be using today are from the brand Merit, which a lot of you guys already know that I'm obsessed with Merit. And just Merit is like the ultimate clean girl aesthetic. It's so easy to use. I tell all my friends about Merit. I'm starting with the Great Skin Serum. And you guys know I use Merit on my channel all the time. So this Great Skin Serum makes your skin look so dewy and healthy. While I'm doing my makeup, let's talk about all things New Year 2026, what I've got going on and what I want to do. Next, I'm going in with my favorite Merit product. I have gone through a couple of these. These are my favorite. This is the Minimalist, their foundation, but it's also used as a concealer. It's like the #1 selling foundation. You'll hear this everywhere. I feel like if you check out the Minimalist on TikTok, there's so many reviews about it. People go crazy for this, and for me, it's the only product that's a one-stop shop. Like, it really is concealer and foundation. It's the best. I'm using a brush today to kind of like speed things along because I'm filming and I've got my little girl here and we're getting ready to go pick up my daughter from school. But a lot of times I just blend this with my fingers just like this. It's so buildable and blendable. My other favorite product by Merit is their contour stick. I'm shade CN. By the way, for this, people always ask, I'm shade Bisque for the Minimalist. I love this contour stick because it's really creamy. And I've used some in the past that are really hard to blend out. So I love this. By the way, this routine might look like a lot, but it seriously takes me seconds. Getting ready to pick up my daughter, wanting to look somewhat cute. I also like, this might be silly, I like to look cute when my husband gets home from work, even if I'm in workout clothes, which he actually really likes when I'm wearing workout clothes. Looking like I put something into myself. But anyway, 2026 for me is the year of discipline. Winter break is kind of like summer break for me. It's just kind of like a big free-for-all. Go to bed late, we wake up late. You know, Violet's not in preschool during winter breaks, but my discipline really went downhill. By the way, this is a highlighter by Merit in the shade Citrine. Really pretty, just gives you that like glass skin. So things I want to be disciplined about is my weight. Like, I want to lose the baby weight. I also want to get really good at the evening cleanup again. So during winter break, we just kind of like fell off the evening cleanup because I'm entertaining both girls all day. My husband would usually stay up, do the dishes, and then he'd be super tired and be like, that's all I was able to do. He's not a Virgo, but he's like an honorary Virgo, where he just can't go to sleep with dishes. And I get that, and I love that for him. Keep doing that. Okay, this is my favorite blush and what I wear pretty much every day. So if you comment on stories and you're like, okay, what blush are you wearing? How pretty. It gives you the healthiest glow. They have a bunch of colors, so if this color is not for you, but you want this kind of look of like dewy, healthy. This is Merit's Flush Bomb, and this is the shade Stockholm, which is my favorite. I'll show you another shade I really like too. This is the shade Archibald. And sometimes I just layer the two. I'm just such a blush girl. Like, oh, that highlight with the blush. That's right, give it to me, Eloise. I love it. I love a blush. I like it all in here. Nose, cheeks. Believe it or not, people always want concealer to brighten up their face and not look tired, but it's blush for me. Blush instantly makes me look like I slept. Then I love their lip oil because it's tinted. So it like feels really moisturizing on your lips, but it also has a tint too. And this one is gorgeous. This shade is Biarritz. I also like the shade Jete. if you're on their website. Did a little brown eyeliner off camera. Then I go in with Merit's cream eyeshadow, which again, like the blush, makes you look so awake. It's so pretty. Then I just did a thin layer of mascara, just one coat, nothing crazy. And I just feel more put together like this. So that is my everyday makeup. You can shop all of my Merit favorites down below. I will have everything linked, and you guys can shop sets discounted up to 15% off. And you'll get a free deluxe mini great skin serum with every minimalistic purchase. And something else I'm super excited about, because I'm a tote girly. Look at this tote, pockets on the side, which is super nice. So I've been a tote girly. I just pack a tote when I go pick up Violet from school. I pack all her snacks and she eats on the way home. It's called the Everything Bag, and you guys will get it for free with orders over $125. So I'll leave this down below as well. And thank you to Merit for collaborating with me again. I'm obsessed. So yeah, I just want to be more disciplined in 2026. It is 2026. I want to be more disciplined now, and I have been. So meal prepping was a great start. Honestly, Eloise helps with a lot of this because she's eating right now. I'm watching her. She can't just eat anything because she's almost 9 months. I have to be really thoughtful about what she's eating and plan it out. And the same with my big girl, Violet. She's so picky, and it's really important for me to see my girls eat protein, fat, greens, and fiber. And so that takes planning. And the one area that I'm like never lazy about is my kids. Like, my kids must eat healthy. It's very important to me, to Jared. Like, we want to see them eat grass-fed steak, grass-fed butter. You know, I let Violet have chocolate milk now, but it's got to be like grass-fed, a high-quality chocolate milk. Like, everything in these girls' lives, it's important for us for it to be high quality. They go into phases where they like things and then don't like things. Violet loved chicken, now she doesn't like chicken. So speaking of, like, you know, planning ahead of time, tonight's dinner, turkey burgers. Vi tried one at a friend's house and loved it, so now I'm gonna be making them tonight. Okay, so I am making myself a chickpea salad, which chickpeas have been my obsession while breastfeeding. I mean, I always love chickpeas, okay? I love chickpeas. I'm a chickpea girl. Love hummus. While breastfeeding, I'm like, give me all the chickpeas. Okay, then I'm going to rough chop salami. Everything I'm putting in here, I'm just gonna like rough chop. And I do a voiceover because I need to blast music, because Eloise loves to dance and like loves when she's eating and I'm blasting music. I always try to meal prep this salad, but I truly can't because I just will eat the entire thing. No matter how big or small the salad is, I will eat it. So I can't meal prep it, but it's pepperoncinis, feta, lettuce, cucumbers, salami, and chickpeas. Then I go in with olive oil, salt, and pepper. I didn't film myself doing the pepper, but don't forget the pepper because it adds that pop. Then I do champagne vinegar, just a little sprinkle, and mix it all together. And it is so delicious. This is literally my favorite lunch right now. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite lunch is right now. So I ate that salad, it was so good. And then I was laying down to put Eloise for a nap and I fell asleep too. So now I'm just getting Vi's after school snack ready, cheese, strawberries, go macro bar. That's another thing for the new year. Sometimes the baby just naps better with me than she does on her own. And I feel better with a nap. I'm not shaming myself for napping this year. Like, I feel better. I'm a better mom when I pick up my other child. Like, I'm gonna have two later in the day. I find this part of the day the hardest, like the after school to dinner, when I need the most energy. So I'm like, why not rest when she rests? Anyway, it's time to go get bye-bye. Thank you guys for watching and Happy New Year. Bye.